Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve of the Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80D0000A that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So, possible causes of this error are corrupt Windows update, Windows Store cache damage, problems with the internet connections, and corrupt user account. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset Windows Store cache. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na wsreset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung wsreset. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So makikita nyo dito, sa Microsoft Store mga kaibigan na nag-back to default setting po siya. So kaya ginagawa natin yung command keyword na wsreset. Right? So and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin itong Microsoft Store. And other solutions we will do is to run this cleanup. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung this cleanup and click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so makikita mo dito yung desk cleanup drive selections. So select the drive you want to clean up. Okay, so nandito yung drives natin. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then click mo lang yan and i-click mo lang dito yung OK and wait natin na mag-calculate and pop up itong this cleanup. Alright, so ang next step dito lang sa files to delete. So select ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mong i-clean up, right? So mag-tick ka lang dito or mag-select. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then are you sure want to permanently delete this file? And then click mo lang dito yung delete files. And so wait natin na ma-complete yung cleanup up drive. Alright, so makikita mo dito na automatic na po siya na complete. And the other solutions na pwede natin gawin is to change cache folder name. Okay, so kung paano ba yan natin gawin, so all you have to do, dito lang sa taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. So dito sa blank space area, right click ka lang and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then dito lang sa task manager at dito sa processes tab ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft Store mga kaibigan. Right? So, i-select mo lang siya. For example, ito yung Microsoft Store. So, click mo lang and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then next step ay i-click mo lang dito yung end task. Right? Click mo lang yan. And then after that, and then close mo lang itong task manager. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80D0000A and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.